What if I told you you no longer need a degree in computer science to build real time hand tracking, motion sensing softwares? With Gemini 3.1's agentic reasoning, the barrier between creative idea and functional vision. So, I'm going to show you how to turn Google AI Studio into your personal vision engineer to build app that interacts with the physical world. So, let's dive in. We are using Google AI Studio because it gives us direct access to Gemini 3.1's agentic reasoning. So, aistudio.google.com is where you can find this and make sure you're logged in. Now, in the build section, you can enter in prompt to create any sort of website or web application. So, we are first going to go to our model settings. In case your 3.1 Pro preview isn't already selected, make sure you select that. And next, I'm setting this system instruction to act as a senior creative technologist. So here are the instructions that I've added, basically defining the role that our agent will be playing, which is an expert full stack developer. I've mentioned the type of result I want, which is a single web file application, and that's it. I'm going to save this changes. Next, I already have my framework selected as Next.js, and that's about it. That's all we need to do in our advanced settings. Now watch this. I'm going to ask it to build a virtual drum kit. Now, that's not going to be just drums. I'm asking for real-time hand tracking, mirrored video, and audio triggers. In the past, this would take team of engineers weeks, but Gemini is going to do it within a few minutes. So here's the prompt that I'm using, and in here I have a few details of our application. Like here, this is the core logic of using media pipe hands to track the motion of the hand, identify the index fingers, etc. Next, I have the audio interaction instructions, the designing and technical constraints, and that's about it. So to start the generation, I'm going to click on this build button, and if you want Gemini to notify you once it's done, you can allow notification as well. Okay, so our app is now ready. We'll have to give the camera access. Okay, so I gave the camera permission, but still I'm stuck on this page. So that's what I've mentioned to the agent and asked it to look into the error or whatever is wrong with this. This might be because Google is rolling out new updates to build, and they are notifying over here as well that this might cause some temporary slowness and unexpected behavior. So I'm just going to retry this and wait for it to generate the output. Okay, so now the issue must have been solved. So if I go ahead, click on the start camera button, it will turn on the camera and display the video right over here. And check this out. This is my hand. And if I click on any specific section of the screen where these things have been written, it will play the specific sound. Now check this out. I don't know about you, but I find this really cool, because how do you explain this to me? It took like 5 to 7 minutes, but it generated an entire computer vision application just like that. Again, so that's basically how you can create your computer vision project that you had in mind but were too lazy to learn the libraries or how to code. Now, not only this, I've created another project as well. Again, this one has the motion interaction as well, which tracks camera and it will let the particles interact according to my hand. This also has settings for the particles. So here's what it looks like. Basically, if I take my hand and pinch it together, then the particles will attract to the point where my hand is being pinched together. And in the same way, if I just put my fingers apart, it will repel the particles from the pointer near there. So this is what it looks like, basically creating a ripple around my fingers. Other than that, this also has a draw with finger option. So here's what that looks like. If I turn that on and if I put my hands in front of the screen, I can literally draw. I mean, it's really bad because I'm trying to write something, but that's basically how you can create all different sorts of computer vision websites. So the barrier between your idea and the functional vision app has officially hit zero. And if you want to see me build a specific vision based app, maybe a fitness tracker or any other idea, you can let me know in the comments, and I'll see you in the next one.